This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone battery draining first issue after the update iOS 17. Follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, background app refresh, and here select off. Then the second solution is remove unwanted apps from your iPhone. So delete or offload unnecessary apps from your iPhone. The third solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on privacy. Tap on location services, scroll down, tap on system services, and from here disable unwanted system service location and then check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings and tap on General, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your iPhone battery draining first issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.